children. Happy morning. How are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Be safe. Be at home. Okay. And today we are going to see about the topic, the coming of Europeans. What do you mean by the coming of Europeans? Who are Europeans? They are the people from other country. Okay. Why do they wanted to come to India? What is the reason behind it? So let us get into the story and let us see who has found the sea route and how they started doing trading inside India and how the British rule came inside India. Okay, let us get into the past. Look at here, children. Vasco da Gama. He was the man who found the sea route from Portugal to India. When he found? In the year 1498. Okay. In India, they entered through the Calicut and Goa. So this was the main state where they entered into the India. And who found the sea route? None other than Vasco da Gama. Okay. And what they all did means they started trading the spices, gold, silver, opium, indigo, silk and cotton. Here you know that other words. Here the opium means it is a type of a flower which cures our injuries. Okay, so this was also trading. This also was done as a trading inside India. So who did? The Portuguese. Okay, so here you can see Portugal to India. No, so the Portuguese started doing the trading in India. Okay, and here we can see that the English East Indian Company. The English East Indian Company means British company. Okay, it was started in the year 1600 under the authority of Queen Elizabeth I. So they started doing trading in India. Okay. And we have some British ambassador also. So this East Indian Company is there, no? The English East Indian Company's other name was British East India Company. Okay. So to control this company, there was a British ambassador. And he is Sir Thomas Roe. Okay, they started main trading centers in Calcutta, Madras and Bombay. So now Calcutta is called as Kolkata, Bombay is Mumbai. Okay, children. And the next, the death of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. After the death of Mughal Emperor, the main king Aurangzeb, they started to rule the main trading inside India. Okay, they wanted to do more trading because India was the richest country. So all other countries were jealous of India. So they started doing trading. So next who came? French. French people also started to do trading. They kept their headquarters in Pondicherry in a particular place called Chandarnagur and Mahi. What are the two places? Chandarnagur and Mahi. So these were the two places where French people started keeping their trading centers or their headquarters. So in order to occupy the India under their control, there was many wars. So what are the wars? Are Carnatic Wars, Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar, Anglo-Mysore Wars, Anglo-Maratha Wars, and Anglo-Sikh Wars. Okay. So after this war only, India came under the control of the British. So there were some annexation also started inside India. So British gave their ruling conditions. That is like what to say? They whatever the rule British says, Indians must follow it. So that is called annexations. So about the wars and what are the annexations, we'll see detail in next class. And today is the just introduction. Okay, who found and how they came inside and what were the materials they started for trading and how do the French people started coming inside and what were the trading centers or the headquarters in India. I hope so you have understood the concept. If any doubt, we can discuss inside the class. Okay, children. Thank you.